Hola, welcome to my channel. Bienvenido a mi canal. Today we've got an exciting episode that's going to take your Spanish learning to the next level. Did you know that there are many patterns between English and Spanish? ¿Sabías que hay muchos patrones entre el inglés y español that can make learning this beautiful language much easier? In today's video, en el video de hoy, we'll explore some of these patterns and connections that will help you expand your vocabulary quickly and effectively, que va a hacer que expandas tu vocabulario rápido y efectivamente. So the first one is words that finish in "tion", like information, información, importation, importación. So here, if you already know, in Spanish we have female and male gender for nouns. So all these nouns, información, exportación, importación, all of them goes with la. La afirmación, la importación, la exportación, all of them are female. Todas ellas son femeninas. Now words that finish with ity. Ahora las palabras que terminan con y, t, y. Como opportunity, activity, reality, all of them we change for oportunidad, actividad, realidad. Oportunidad, actividad, realidad. And another pattern is with words that finish with ic. Otro patrón son las palabras que terminan con ic, like public. In Spanish, we say público. Público, you just need to add an O at the end. Solo necesitas agregar una O al final. ¿Sí? Público. Básico. Básico. Heroico. Heroico. ¿Sí? Público, básico, heroico. Now, words that finish with O, U, S. Ahora las palabras que terminan con O, U, S, like delicious, delicioso, or deliciosa. So here same, it depends on what you are talking about. So if you're talking about, let's say, pizza. So pizza is female because this word finishes with A, ¿sí? Termina con la A. So pizza. So most of the words, not all of them, but most of the words that finish with A, de que terminan en A, they are female words. Ellas son palabras femeninas, ¿sí? So like pizza, como pizza. So we say, la pizza es deliciosa. La pizza es deliciosa. Pizza, deliciosa, right? But if we say café, coffee, café, café is male, ¿sí? So in this case will be deliciosa, but delicioso. So el café es delicioso. Now famous, ¿sí? Same as delicious. So famosa or famoso. It depends who you're talking about. If you're talking about Shakira, let's say Shakira is famosa, ¿sí? Because she's a woman, famosa. But if we want to say, I don't know, George Clooney es famoso, ¿sí? Because he's a man. Or anxious, ansioso, ansiosa, same. Now the next one, most of the words that finish with al, al, en español, al, like all these words, you will think that they are in English, but they are also in Spanish. Pero ellas también están en español. The only thing that it changes is the pronunciation. So we don't say animal, we say animal. Like the strongest pronunciation will be at the end. La pronunciación más fuerte es al final. So animal, normal, natural, individual. All of them, individual, animal, natural. Now, some words that finish with OR. Algunas palabras que terminan en OR, like doctor, same in Spanish, but we say doctor. ¿Sí? And if it's, that one is man. But if it's a woman, we say doctora. ¿Sí? Doctora. Or author. In Spanish it's autor without H. Autor. ¿Sí? We don't have that structure, TH, we don't have that. It's always T and after that a vowel. So, autor. And if it's woman, si es mujer, autora. O actor. Actor. En español, actor. And this one is for men. Esta es para hombres, but we don't say actora for women. No decimos actora for women. Para mujeres. We say actriz. In this one is different. We say actriz. Now, words that finish with A, R, Y. ¿Sí? Las palabras que terminan con A, R, Y. Like dictionary, we change it and we say diccionario. Diccionario. Or anniversary, we say aniversario. Now, words that finish with ISM. Ahora las palabras que terminan con ISM. Here we have plenty of words, but we'll say just 3 of them. Idealism, idealismo. Catholicism, catolicismo. Catolicismo. Optimism, optimismo. Optimism, optimismo. Now let's see words that finish with ENT or ANT. Like ingredient, we say ingredientes. President, we say presidente, presidente. Or important, we say importante, importante. Oh, by the way, por cierto, if you want to improve your pronunciation in Spanish, click on this video, the link that is below this video, and check my video about pronunciation. Por cierto, si quieres mejorar tu pronunciación en español, te invito a darle clic a este video o clic al enlace que está en la descripción de este video. So, if you found value on this, si encuentras valor en esto, show some love by liking or subscribing to my channel. And also, please let me know if you have any comment or question that you want me to help you with, y estaré feliz de ayudarte con eso. And sí, that's all. Eso es todo. See you in next videos. Chao. Nos vemos en otros videos.